Yes, exercise 8.4, question number 5, fourth part. 1 plus sec a upon sec a is equal to sin square a upon 1 minus cos a. So I am taking LHS. 1 plus sec a upon sec a. I am converting this sec a in terms of cos a. So say I can write 1 upon cos a. This is also 1 upon cos a. So 1 upon cos a is here, and this is, if I take LCM, then what will come? Cos a plus 1 upon cos a. So cos a to cos a cut, what will come? Cos a plus 1. This is your LHS. Now I'm trying to solving the RHS. What is RHS? See here, sin square a upon 1 minus cos a. So sin square a upon 1 minus cos a. Okay, what is the identity of sin square a? I can write sin square a equal to 1 minus cos square a. This is 1 minus cos square a upon 1 minus cos a. Yes, this is a square minus b square. This will be a plus b, a minus b, and denominator is as it is. You can cut 1 minus cos a to 1 minus cos a. This is 1 plus cos a is your right hand side. Left hand side was cos a plus 1. Both are the same. So you can write LHS is equal to RHS. Again, very important question of chapter number 8, exercise 8.4, question number 5, fifth part. What is given? Cos a minus sin a plus 1 upon cos a plus sin a minus 1 equal to cos a k plus cot a. In this one you have to see RHS. What is cos a k plus cot a? Okay, cos a k is what? 1 upon sin a, clearly, and cot a is what? Cos a upon sin a. It means in denominator there is sin a, no? So I am taking help from this denominator of RHS. Okay, so I am going to divide by sin a to convert the question in terms of cos a k and cot a. Okay, I am going to divide. So here divide by sin a in numerator and denominator. If I am going to divide in numerator, so cos a upon sin a minus sin a upon sin a plus 1 upon sin a, divide by cos a upon sin a plus sin a upon sin a minus 1 upon sin a. Okay, so cos a upon sin a is cot a minus 1 plus 1 upon cos a. This 1 upon sin a is cos a k. This is cot a plus 1 minus cos a k. So I am going to rearrange this. See, I am going to rearranging and take cot a plus 1 minus cos a k as it is. Now what I am going to do, see here, I am going to put value of 1 here. Okay, what will be the value of 1? Here cot a plus cosec a as it is. What is value of 1? Value of 1 is cosec square a minus cot square a. Cosec square a minus cot square is 1, and denominator is as it is. Okay, then you see cot a plus cosec a minus, this is a square minus b square, so a plus b and a minus b cosec a minus cot a, and denominator will be what? Same, cot a plus 1 minus cosec a. Now see what is common. Common is this cot A plus cosec A is common. And what is remaining? Remaining will be, because this is common, no, then this is 1, this is minus. When minus multiply by this is your minus cosec A, and minus this is plus cot A, okay, upon cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Okay, both are the same thing. This to this cut. What is remaining? Cot A plus cosec A, and this is your RHS. This is very important question. Again I am explaining what is given in the question. In the question it is given to you. In question it is given to you cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A minus 1 equal to cosec A plus cot A. So what to do? First we have to see the RHS. Cosec A is equal to 1 upon sin A. This is cos A upon sin A. Okay. So what is in denominator? Denominator is sin A. So divide by sin A in numerator and denominator. I am dividing it. So to convert this RHS in terms of cosec A and cot A. So dividing the sin A. So cos A upon sin A minus sin A upon sin A plus 1 upon sin A divide by cos A upon sin A plus sin A upon sin A minus 1 upon sin A. Okay, this will be cot A minus 1 plus cosec A, cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Take these two, interchange the position of it, and take minus 1 will be that this side. So I am taking these two in bracket and putting the value of 1. What is value of 1? Cosec square A minus cot square A. What is 1 equal to cosec square theta minus cos square theta? No, by this way denominator is the same. Then use a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. Denominator is the same. What is the common? Cosec A plus cot A, it is this. Then after simplifying this full term, this will cut by numerator and denominator. What is remaining? Cosec A plus cot A. It is very important question for examination point of view.